Have you ever started 3D printing something and then all of a sudden it's just not working? We've all been there. You try everything you know and it still can't seem to get it to work and make a good part. If only there was a way I could find out what's wrong and how to fix it ASAP. Well, at AG3D Labs, we are changing the way 3D printing problems are solved by offering our part detective services in new and interesting ways. To address those random and frustrating part failures we all have, we've created a 3D print option for $9.99. Yes, that's $9.99 to have us review your part for failure and provide next steps for you to get back up and 3D printing. Once you answer a few of our questions and order our 3D print review, we will follow up, get any relevant information like part failure, pictures, video, material, printer settings, etc. You know the basics. And then follow up with a video and a written checklist to try and troubleshoot and solve your part issues. No subscriptions to pay for or large POs to get approved before having a chance to solve your 3D printing problem. We see this 3D print review as a way for us to interject in those moments of the 3D printing process where you are just stuck. Customer support and other services can be expensive and still leave you replying to email after email without getting anywhere. We're trying something new that gets us in front of your problem one step at a time. With your 3D print review purchase, you get your unique problem reviewed by someone with 9 years of 3D printing experience across many materials from plastics to metals. That's me. You get a video and a write-up of the core problem and a list of steps to take. This 3D print review is for the step you are on, so if we fix it after one step, no need to order another. But it's also available at a price that makes stacking 3D print reviews affordable and directly related to the complexity of the problem. So if the problem is easy, you aren't stuck paying for a large problem price. So if you have a 3D print problem you want reviewed with clear explanations of the core issues at hand with actionable steps to get you back to 3D printing good parts, go to stan.store/AG3D Labs and find the 3D print review option. Once purchased, I'll get started working on your problem and respond same day with next steps, assuming I have all the info I need to follow up, like part pictures and information on the material and settings used. That way we can get right to the basics. I'm Alex, the part detective for AG3D Labs, and I'm looking forward to working with you to solve your biggest 3D printing challenges. So let's get started. Head over to stan.store/AG3D Labs and order your 3D print review to find out what's wrong and how to fix it.